Hey guys, my name is Steve and this is Wilmer Woodworks, and this video is a little bit unorthodox for the channel. Usually it's woodworking, laser designs, things like that, but I have done a few videos because I love my automation. It's just one of my favorite things to talk about. I have my robot mower, I've got my robot vacuum, and now I've got my robot pool cleaner. So we're going to do a quick unboxing of this bad boy. We're going to charge him up and we're going to drop him in the deep end. Let's see what he can actually do. Now this is a newer company, so they wanted to send me this sample, have me set it up in my pool, have it run for a little while, and see what my thoughts were, since I do have a lot of automation going on in my house. It is not very complicated from the looks of it. It looks like we got some extra rubber washers and things like that. He's a cute little guy, I'll tell you that much. Don't know really what any of this does. So maybe I should actually read the instructions for once in my life so I don't jack this guy up. There we go. Let's see if he's got any charge. Sometimes these things do. Yep, so he turns on. Got my little card. Come on, you. Alright, robot, handle, display light, charging port, power switch, surface cover, filter cover, chassis. First charge, 3.5 hours, fully charged. So, pull this guy up, plug him in, and I will charge him up for 3.5 hours, and then we will be back. Now, how do I hook up this port here? So they want this guy to go here. Alright, so this, not terrible, you know, some assembly required. Get that screw in. We'll charge him up, and then it looks like we just drop him, and then this thing dangles up at the top. Pool cleaner automatically docked next to the pool.
If you do the bugs,
I'll drop the thing in there.
And all the shit that's in there.
Alright. Unplug it, so we got your charging cord. I got your little recovery dongle. I think this may actually stay on now. Let's turn it on. Come on. Drop her down. Look at him go! Oh, he's a fast little bugger. So this robot ran for about 2 hours, cleaned everything up, and we just pulled it out, put it back on the charge, and stored it away until we needed it again. It's the perfect maintenance robot. Until next time, my name is Steve. Appreciate you guys watching.